Hello my dear friends, myself Ritika and I welcome you all to EduTap. So guys, the long wait is over. NABARD has released the result of phase 1 that was held on 18th of September for grade A officers. So the result was released on 14th of October late night and I hope you guys have seen the result PDF. If not, please go to the website of NABARD and see the PDF. This is the PDF. It is here. The NABARD was expected. The result was expected few days back, but it got a bit delayed. So nevertheless, today is an auspicious day, Vijaya Dashmi, and the result of phase 1 is out. The link of the PDF where all the roll numbers are given is also in the description of this video. You can directly go there and check out your roll number, right? Now, after you check out your roll number and if you are selected, so first of all, congratulations to you. Soak in that feeling that yes, I've been selected for mains examination. I have cleared the first hurdle, the highest hurdle I would say that is there in the examination, this recruitment process. So what to do next? Many of the candidates are now, although they were preparing, but still are worried that what to do next, or if we were preparing already, how to boost up our preparation. So now we are here with you for the same. Guys, first of all, you should make a list of the things that are to be covered and revised. Why am I emphasizing on revised or revision? Because paper 2 syllabus of ESI and ARD is common for phase 1 and phase 2. So the things that you have read for phase 1 are going to be utilized in phase 2 again. Do not take the revision lightly. Make a list of the things that you are yet to cover and you have to revise, and then make a daily schedule of your routine. That means you should have a mapping, actually a diary mapping, where you can mention that these topics are going to be covered in these days. Day 1 I'll do this, day 2 I'll do this. So now the confusion comes that how many days do we have in hand for phase 2? Guys, very soon the handout or the notification for the exam dates would be out, but as of now we can tell you that we are expecting exam to take place somewhere after Diwali only. So you have good 15 to 20 days in hand, right? I would also suggest you to go to the description of this video and find the link of the lecture. That is 25-day plan to clear NABARD phase 2. That lecture was taken by Anjit sir, so that would definitely help you in planning your preparation, getting to know the examination, especially if you are appearing for the first time in phase 2 of this exam. Right now, next point would be give priority to descriptive writing at this stage, guys. Very, very important. This is the first time that descriptive writing has been introduced in this examination, so you have to give focus to it. 150 marks out of 200 are devoted to descriptive writing. 100 for English descriptive, 50 for ESI and IARD, that is paper 2. Right? Revision and practice are the key to write good answers. Again, I would emphasize here that you have to put in your schedule this way. Guys, then very, very important, get your answer copies evaluated by faculty members and get their personalized feedback. So the faculty members of EduTap are going to evaluate the copies of the students who have taken our course. So in our course we have provided phase 2 full length mock tests, which will give you the interface, the online interface, where you can write your answers, then you can submit the copies, and those will be personally evaluated by each faculty member. We have a good team, a very large team of members who are gonna evaluate, and then we'll get in touch with you as quickly as possible. ठीक है जी? Now, last thing, what you should do definitely if you have cleared, I would say even if you could not make it to the phase 2 of this examination, then also you should do this point. That is, join Vijay batch for free. It's a complete free batch that has been launched by EduTap to guide the students for descriptive writing for phase 2 of NABARD examination. So if not this year, it is definitely gonna help you this year if you could not clear. But if you have cleared, you cannot miss out on Vijay batch. So let me tell you in detail about Vijay batch quickly. First of all, it is for phase 2. It is completely free. The link of this batch is in the description. You just have to go there, enroll yourself for free of cost, and then the batch will start. What all are there in the batch? So guys, 2 things we are offering. in this batch. First is Big Daddy mock test, which includes objective as well as descriptive tests. So 2 full-length tests will be there with the detailed solution. So paper 1 English descriptive you'll have to do just like you have to do in the examination, and then it will be followed by paper 2 where first 30 questions objective. Once you complete it, descriptive paper will start, right? So one test has already been conducted. We were not waiting for the result to come out. We were actually encouraging students to enroll in the batch and start their test. So many of the students have already given this test. So one more test is there, and if we have good number of days, we will try to provide you one more test in the series, right? So but that will depend on the number of students. So a lot of students have to take this test, enroll in the batch and take this test. Only then we will come up with another test, right? So do join it. Secondly, guys, very important for all the lovely students there, free study material. Guys, videos explaining the art of answer writing, how a good introduction can be written, how good body can be written, how can you conclude in a wonderful manner. All these things need the science of answer writing. That will be explained in the videos. Compilation of the sample question and answers for the ARD section. So what we have done is we have taken out the most important questions, we have framed the questions and their answers for you. You can just refer to them and form your own answers, right? And bare minimum, you can use the same answers, although that will not be encouraged. We expect you to do the value addition part, right? Third, guys, compilation of the previous year questions of the ESI section. So RBI grade B examination held in 2021 had this descriptive ESI section. They also had descriptive paper in phase 2. So what we have done is compilation of not only 2021 but prior to 2015 also there were descriptive papers in RBI. So we took out all the questions from there and we are gonna provide you these questions in the PDF format where you can refer and also the fodder material to write the good answers. So it's a wonderful opportunity. I would say this is a one-stop solution for your phase 2 preparation. This is not the last thing. One more thing I have to share with you. If you subscribe to this course, of course that is free, you will also become the member of the exclusive Telegram channel by EduTap. That channel is for the discussion by students, peer-to-peer assessment, and not only that, faculty members would time to time take up the lectures, the guidance lectures, mentorship through this Telegram channel, right? So I would encourage you to enroll here, and not only enroll, utilize the best time and the materials that are provided to you, right? So stay tuned to EduTap. We will help you to ace NABARD Grade A examination, right? How we will do that, I have already told you that you have to enroll to the Vijay batch. Then if you are a student, then guys, if you are a student of our course already, then you have to take the faculty advice. You must take, you should get your copies evaluated. In Vijay batch, we are not evaluating the copies, rather we are giving you model answers. While if you are a student of our course, then your copies would be personally evaluated and you will be personally mentored, right? Last thing I would also like to share with you, that is our surprise to crack NABARD Grade A examination. We always say one phase at a time. Phase 1 done, let's focus on phase 2. Apart from all these things, we will also come up with video series for descriptive English writing. It is already being taken by Narveer sir. So many lectures he has already taken. You can go to the YouTube channel of EduTap and find the playlist of descriptive English writing. You'll find the videos there. He's already taking the live sessions in night. Then we will again come up with a video series for the art of good answer writing, specifically keeping in mind paper 2 requirements, ESI and ARD. We will also do the model paper discussions for both the paper 1 and paper 2, that is English and ESI ARD. Questions would be there, faculty would be there, and they will be coming up with your videos on the same. Last not the least, MCQ series to cover your objective part, that you have utilized our marathon series, right? Super marathon. Such an overwhelming response there was, and so many questions directly came from there only. We will try to make the 50 marks out of 200 very easy for you, so that you focus on descriptive and you get 50 marks through these series only. So we'll come up surely with the MCQ series for ESI and ARD too. Thank you so much. Wishing you all the very best. For any concern of yours, feel free to drop us a mail at hello@edutap.co.in. And my dear friends, You might be feeling very happy if you have been selected. Such an auspicious day today, Vijayadashmi. Do share your feelings with us. Write us a mail at hello@edutab.co.in if you've been selected. Thank you so much for your precious time. Happy Dussehra to all of you there. Vijay batch, all the best to the students who have enrolled, who are going to appear in the phase 2. Thank you. Bye-bye.